Mayor Garcetti is joining us live via Skype right now. Good morning to you, Mayor. Thank you for talking with us this morning because this impacts so many people. And we want to get right to that loan program you had mentioned earlier. What do you mean by no fee? And is there any interest that business owners are going to have to pay during this trying time?
Absolutely not. And good morning, guys. Thank you so much for your coverage and steady voices in the midst of this crisis. We know that small businesses are the backbone of every neighborhood in Los Angeles and of our city. Both of my grandfathers had small businesses. I wouldn't be here without them. And these are really tough times. Some have talked about going under and some are preparing for, have laid off staff. So we wanted to get, even while we're waiting for federal action, dollars out there on the streets now. So we're putting $11 million into this initially. This is of city money that we control to be able to give microcredit loans of about $5,000 to $50,000 for just those things I was talking about in the press conference. You know, the basics of paying your employees, of paying your rent. We also extended, though, an eviction moratorium to commercial properties. It's never been done before. I know for a lot of landowners and some of the landlords, doesn't mean that they won't eventually get paid, but it makes sure that people won't get evicted if that's the difference of them hanging on or not. But for the loan program, you can go to lamayor.org/loan and apply for it. We hope to have that money roll out as early next week. So in just a matter of days to really make that difference between bridging whether you survive or don't.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, what about the workers? You have the restaurants, the hair salons, the nail salon workers. Any relief coming for them?
Well, we obviously are lobbying, all of us, very strongly to get that package through Congress and signed by the president immediately. I can't think of anything more urgent in the country because we have pennies compared to the dollars upon dollars that Washington can bring. That would be in paid sick leave for everybody, family leave as well, and making sure that folks can get unemployment. One of the things we're looking at, all the big 13 city mayors in California, is what if we took the state earned income tax credit, which goes to those families that are low income already, and just double down on that. So essentially giving a payment of $1,000 or $2,000, depending on how many children you have, to families now. And it's great to see bipartisan support, Mitt Romney and Democrats saying, let's do direct cash payments. Nothing will help people more than that. We know that this won't be a forever crisis, but it could be not just weeks, but some months. And getting those payments means everything to families and their survival and workers, making sure they can get through this and obviously not lose their homes.
The other thing so many people, of course, are talking about right now, Mayor, is Governor Newsom announcing yesterday that he does not believe schools are going to be back in session likely for the rest of the school year, which was alarming to so many parents out there. We're talking about millions of kids, highly stressful situation right now. So what are you preparing for the city to do if that is the case?
Well, as a father of a second grader, I know that stress. And in between my 24 hours of working, I'm my daughter's science teacher now, too.
Yeah.
So I get that stress. I understand it. And for some parents who can't afford not to work, I think that hits especially hard. So we're looking at what we can do on the childcare side, especially for those people we know, as fewer and fewer people work, are going to be critical. Our healthcare employees and our first responders. So we hope in the next few days we'll stand up some efforts to, safely socially distance children, but provide childcare for those hospital workers that if they're not showing up, our system is close to being overwhelmed in the hospitals. And the city doesn't run those, but we are assisting the county in every way that we can. I can actually detail city workers to assist with that, just as we did during the strike, the teachers' strike. So we will look at that in some of our recreation centers that are closed, potentially opening up for some childcare. But wherever people can, I want to say this message loud and clear. If you can possibly not work, don't work right now. We're going to have those critical employees that need to keep the economy going, our public safety and public health people. But, this contrast between, quote unquote, shelter in place, a phrase I hate because it sounds like a school shooting, but the additional restrictions we see in other places are not very far from where we are today. And if people can stay home, and that's obviously we're going to be with our children and helping them, PBS will be volunteering and showing some of those classes on the TV.
Now, let's talk about this. Shelter in place, lockdown for the city. We have all these terms going around and people are texting and panicking other people. How close are you to declaring a lockdown for the city, and what would that look like?
Well, I think there is no lockdown or shelter in place anywhere. I hate both of those phrases. Again, they sound like there's public safety emergency. And if you go up north, where maybe the most restrictive elements are, there's still more than a dozen exceptions for accountants, for hardware stores, for a lot of retail clerks, for construction workers, et cetera. People aren't locked down. They can leave the house. They're encouraged to do so, to take walks, et cetera. But we are taking the advice of our Los Angeles County Public Health every single day. I talked with Dr. Ferrer a few times a day. Last night, she said, we are basically instructing people from the public health side, if you can work from home, work at home. And that's everybody. So we have obviously closed all the places of gathering in this city. People can pick up food from restaurants, and we encourage them to do so. But I will take her advice each day. And it won't come down, there's all this misinformation. There's not going to be some national lockdown all of a sudden that comes down just like that, nor here. We're probably at the 30-yard line. Up north, they're maybe at the 20-yard line. But we also are about 2 weeks behind them. And when they were at a similar point that we're at, they didn't have the restrictions in place we do now. So people just continue to social distance. It is everything in pushing out this curve and making sure that we can deal with the coronavirus crisis.
Well, thank you, Mr. Mayor, for your time this morning, especially clarifying for people to go get those small business loans that the city's going to be offering. A lot of helpful information you've given us this morning. We appreciate your time.
Hello, I'm Mark Brown. Click the ABC7 logo to subscribe to our Eyewitness News YouTube channel.